Hi everyone, and thanks for joining me today. I am very slightly late. I'm not too bad, just 4 minutes late. I have got some really gorgeous goodies here for you. You could probably not see that much of it at the moment, but I have a great big box that arrived today, and I'm going to share half of it with you today because it's clearance items which are still on clearance. So I have a big box here to show you. Then tomorrow I shall show you some new things from our new catalogue. How exciting. So look at all these goodies in here. Yes, I've just realized this, if Ginny's watching, I nicked some of Ken's dates. I had some dates to give someone as a present. I bought 2 packs and I ended up eating one. Just delicious. So, oh my gosh, they're really delicious actually. Right, we have nobody here at the moment, but we've got someone coming while I finish my date. How rude of me. Right. Not great to eat while you're doing a video, but however, delicious. Delicious. So we have a great big huge box of gorgeous goodies. Can't eat it, so can't eat it fast enough. I'm so sorry. Right, who is here with us? I'm so sorry. I should not have eaten that date because it took me too long to eat it. So. Right, a box full of clearance goodies for you to see up close and personal. And if you're wanting any of these goodies, then please do go to my shop, www.chanel.stampinup.net. Hi Christine, honey. How are you, my lovely? Hope you had a lovely weekend. I've got a box of clearance goodies to show you today, and then tomorrow I will be showing some items from the new catalogue. Hi Katie Emma Smith, how are you? Nice to see you joining me. So look at all these goodies. I'm going to show you them up close and personal. And Charlie's trying to get in the box. Look, he's trying to get in the box. What are you doing? He's being very... Oh, what are you doing, you nosy boy? He's having a look in the box to see it's mummy's goodies. No, don't do that with the phone. Right, get down. Right, I'm going to move the box off the table and pull out some of these things to show. Oh, I'm so sorry, to show you. Oh. Right. Now, all of these items are in our clearance section of my shop, www.chanel with 2 N's, 2 L's and an E, .stampinup.net. And please don't forget to use the host code GN2YTMMP, and then you will receive a thank you gift from me. Oh, I'm fine, thank you. And I got the new catalogue and bits today. Thanks very much. Oh, I bet you're super excited. I'm going to be showing some things from the catalogue tomorrow. But I thought as these clearance items are not going to be there for very long, well, I'd better show you them. But I've been waiting for an order, so I couldn't until they turned up. So I now can, and I've got lots of yummy goodies. It's like Christmas already. So these are our gold foil edged cards and envelopes, and they are, let me see how much they are. They are £3.70 and they were £9.25, and I think you get 20. I mean, these are just super posh. Look at these. How posh are these envelopes? Look at these, just too posh. And then your cards look like this. Oh, there is some super yummy stuff, Christine. Oh my gosh, I just ordered a couple more bits from there as well today. So these are the gold foil envelopes and cards. And we also have these in silver. And I think they are the same price. So you can either get gold or silver in these. So these are £3.70. And they were £9, did I say? £9.25. So those are the envelopes. And okay, we have some punches. So we have some scallop circle punches. Oh my gosh, this makes your life so much easier. So we have the 1 3/8 circle punch, and we also have the 1 1/8 scalloped circle punch, and these are on offer for £9 each, and they were both £15 each. So these are sold separately, and they were 15 down to £9. So we've got the 1 3/8 and the 1 1/8, and they're just super easy to make, you know, lovely little sentiments and things. So yes, we used to sell the circle punches, all of them. We do sell the circle punches, but we don't have all of the sizes, but very rarely do you see the scalloped ones. So these are great for £9 each. They are just super cute. So more punches for my collection. Hi Linda Lawrence. Right, okay, another scrummy punch is this braided border punch. Oh my gosh, this is just delicious. This was £22 down to £8.80. Oh, this is just going to be so gorgeous. Let me see if I've got a bit of card here that I can use just to show you what it looks like. Let me just pop it in here. Oh, there you go. So that is your, oh, where's my scissors? Oh my gosh. And this just makes a lovely like border. And then what you can do, let me just push this to one side. You will then put it in and line this up with that there, like so. That's it. Oh, sorry about the bang. And then we've got a gap here, but I'm sure that doesn't matter. We can move this along maybe to there and get to that middle bit, hopefully. There you go. So that's how you make a gorgeous, almost Celtic, isn't it? Celtic border to pop on your projects. I mean, this is scrap card, so excuse my nail. I did my nails, and then this one I messed up before and didn't have time to fix it. So that is the braided border punch. £8.80 was £22. So that is a real bargain. Yummy scrummy border punch. Right, let's put these bits to one side. Hi Shirley, hi Jill, hi Karen, good afternoon. Right, okay, now don't forget, if you want to purchase any of these items, please go to my shop or message me for more information. Now, talking about punches, we also have this punch pack, and this is called Please Just Punch. No, it's not. This is called, where are we? Pack it in, Charles. No, every season punch pack, £8.80 was £22, and you actually get these 4 little punches, and they're just super cute. Honestly, they are super dizzy and just so lovely. And look what you get. Look, you get a bat, a flower, an acorn, and a heart, and these punches are just too adorable for words. Pack it in, Charles. Can you hear him in the box? Let me just open these and get into these. So this is called, whoa, please, no it's not. This is called, what did I say this was called? Every Season Punch Pack. And look how diddy these little punches are. Oh, I love them. I love them, I love them, I love them. Just super lovely. So these are £8.80 and they were £22. Look how diddy that little bat is. Oh, that's just too cute. Oh, I love it. Actually, these are more super cute in person. And look, a little heart, a little acorn, and a little flower. £8.80. So grab yourself a bargain. Yes, yes, yes. I love my punches. Right. Okay. Now we have some yummy trinkety things. Okay, so these are called tinted faceted buttons, and these are £2.80 and they were £7. And look at these are just, look at the quality of them. They just look super stunning. I don't know if you can really see how gorgeous they truly are, but they are super cute. Look at these. I love the colours of them, just lovely. So these are the tinted faceted buttons, and you get 24 in the pack. So they are £2.80 and they was £7. These, I love these. These are called Leafs Trinkets, and they're £3 and they were £7.50. And these would basically go on any project that you want. And these just gorgeous copper, kind of rose gold, copper and silver leaves, and they're just absolutely stunning. You get 24 in a pack, and there's like the little leaves and the big leaves, and these I just think will be just super to put on anything. And I might actually get some more of these because I think these will get used a lot. Get off, Charles, get off. He's wrecking the place. So those are the Leafs Trinkets. Charlie, get down. What are you after? He's on one, if you could see him right now. Right, get down, please. Loud to you too. Naughty boy. Get off. Right, and then the last one are these lovely tropical elements. And these are just, well, tropical flowers and leaves. And they're like little buttons. And they're little tropical leaves and buttons here. They're just super cute. And they are £2.60 and they were £6.50 for these cute little tropical elements. I love the little boxes they come in as well. I'm super collecting them. Right, we also have a wonderful box set. Now I've got 3 of these tinned kits now. I had a Christmas one, and I had well, I think there were 2 Christmassy ones that I had, but this one is called Darling Label Punch Box. Now it was £42 and it's down to £16.80. £16.80. Now this would make a great present for someone if I can get into it. And it's just a gorgeous tin, so even if you take everything out, you've got a lovely tin at the end of it all. But inside here you get this gorgeous punch. Charles, sorry guys. Oh my gosh. So you get this gorgeous label punch, which, you know, normally these are like £17 by themselves. And then you get a gorgeous stamp set to go with it, which actually says, hello, thinking of you, happy birthday, friend, congratulations, rock star, best wishes, and thanks. So you've got some gorgeous little stamps. You also get a little stamp block, which I have been collecting these now. So this is my 3rd one, and these are just super cute stamp blocks. And you will also get your 2 little ink spots as well. So this is just a lovely set, and it's a kind of an everyday sort of set that you can use, and that's called the Darling Label Punch Box set. Just scrumptious, just gorgeous. Yes, I'm collecting these now. This is my 3rd one that I have. Now, do you remember the other day I showed, oh my gosh, this Joy of Giving tag kit, the Joy of Giving tag kit, where we made all of these tags. Well, they do have these again in the clearance, Charles, and they are £13.20. They were £33. And look at these gorgeous tags. You'd make 30 in total, 10 of each. So 10 of these ones, which I think are fabulous. 10 of these ones.